Hey guys, Tech Metro with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on your iPhone. So let's get started. So when it comes to SafeSearch, if you have that turned on, you'll notice if you go into setting of your iPhone and go into screen time. Now once you go to screen time, you might be prompted for a password if it's someone else that set it up, like a parent or someone that owns the phone. So you need to enter that screen time passcode. And once you enter it, you'll be able to get into this setting. Under restriction, where it says content and privacy restriction, if you see this turned on, most likely content are being restricted. So what you'll notice is under content restrictions, right? If you click on that, there's a section for web content. So under web content, for the default, if it's unrestricted, that means SafeSearch is off and you are good to go. Now, if you have this one, where it's allowed website or limit adult website, those two will limit your ability to go to certain website, which means SafeSearch is on. So you need to select unrestricted option. Now the other thing you also want to check out is under web search content, right? You have to make sure it's allowed here as well. If it says don't allow, again, SafeSearch will be on. So you need to allow that in order to turn off SafeSearch on your iPhone. Now that's only the iPhone here. Sometimes there also might be a browser setting that you need to turn off. For example, if you open up Safari and maybe use Google a lot, right, for searching. So I'll go to google.com, and if you open up Chrome, it's going to be similar to this. You click on those three lines up top here, and under SafeSearch here, if you click on it, by default, it's going to blur out or filter things if you have SafeSearch turned on. But if you want to turn off SafeSearch completely, you just click on that and then go back here. Now SafeSearch is turned off and you won't have that issue whenever you're searching something. It won't get blocked or filtered or blurred out. So that's how you turn off SafeSearch on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks on your iPhone and other devices. See you guys next time.